Hey viewers, welcome back to RHO Market Chat. So Robin, last week you talked about your chart of the week, Tesla. So we have seen like what you have stated that Tesla is retreating from its all-time high at 969 towards your conviction support level at 497, which the market subsequently rebounded to a close at 547 last Friday. So what are your thoughts?
Hey, hi, Juran. Yes, last week we had a volatile week, and my prediction of Tesla came very close to 497. In fact, you went to 502 and had a very, very strong rebound last Friday. Well, I don't believe that this rebound can sustain. In fact, I've just updated my chart. All right, I believe that Tesla, following Friday's rebound, could start coming off. And you could see now my latest trade plan. First support, Tesla, if it breaks the 497, it will go to 474, 432, and eventually I believe that it will come to 383, and that's my conviction support level.
As for the STI, Robin, you were spot on when saying that STI, when it breaks the trend line, is going to hit the 2423 strong support level. 1 week has passed, and indeed it has hit the 2530 mark. The question is now, Robin, will it hit your conviction support line of 2230?
Yes, Joran, last week we saw STI breaking below the uptrend line, and it hit my level at 2529. Well, I believe that STI has to hit 2230 before we could see a reasonable rebound coming.
Thank you, Robin. Last week, Robin, you shared with us this photo about Donald Trump playing the violin. Is there a second meaning behind this photo?
Yes, Juran, the photo on Donald Trump is indeed funny, but my message to trader and investor is when the downtrend is set in motion, nothing really can stop it, not even Donald Trump. Well, we could see over the weekend Donald Trump introducing COVID-19 stimulus measures. And just this morning we saw the Fed announcing the QE program and also reducing the interest rate to near zero. And how did the market react? The market, in fact, came off very sharply, hitting the circuit breaker, and during the Asia hour, we had a trading halt. Well, in the last 11 years of bull market, investors and traders has been very accustomed to the Fed and Donald Trump supporting the market every time the market takes a dip. So this time round, situation is different. You could see that whatever Donald Trump and Fed does, the market is not responding. And that really is a dangerous sign.
Robin, thank you for your insightful sharing. And indeed, your wisdom has been shown in the Dow Jones. And last week you were bearish about the Dow and you said that the prices could fall to 21591. 1 week has passed. As you can see, the levels indeed hit the 21591 region and rebounded. So 1 week has passed, Robin. What are your take about Dow prices moving forward?
Yes, Juran, the trade plan on Dow Jones indeed worked very well. It hit my support level at 21591, and last Friday it had a strong rebound after hitting that level. But today As I speak, we have Dow Jones limiting down to 5%. So tonight, I expect Dow to break that level at 29591. And after breaking the level, I believe that it could subsequently this week test 17,475. Well, I don't think a lot of viewers today will even look at 1745 and believe what I'm saying. But let's see, all right, this week whether it's going to happen.
Robbie, we've been discussing about Dow Jones for the past 2 weeks. And our viewers are interested in knowing the performance of S&P. So what is your thoughts about S&P for the week ahead?
Yes, Juran, I have the S&P trade plan ready today, and the chart looks very interesting. Well, for the last 11 years of bull run, the S&P uptrend has not broken below this orange trend line. But I believe tonight it is going to break it. Well, if S&P breaks below the uptrend line, you could see the possible targets below. And worst case scenario, it could go to 1454. But I believe this week we could see very easily S&P hitting a low of 2330.
Robin, with the view of the S&P, what advice do you have for our viewers?
Well, the stock market movement has clearly been centered around COVID-19 news. On the positive front, we saw cases in South Korea and China coming down dramatically, but in Europe, we saw a different story. In Italy, in Spain, and in France, we saw COVID-19 cases increasing dramatically. But my worry really is in the United States. Because of the delay in testing, in the next 4 weeks, we could see a dramatic increase of COVID-19 cases in the US, and that could cause the market to come off dramatically. So my advice to traders and investors is to stay light in the market until we could see some conclusion, or we could see the COVID-19 cases stabilizing.
Hey viewers, that's all we have for you in this week's episode of RHO Market Chat. If you like our episode, please share and subscribe.